Have you ever dreamed of owning a chateau in France? One of those stunning fairy tale estates with towers, old stone walls, and sweeping countryside views? Then this video is for you. Here's the surprising part. Some of them are actually affordable, like really affordable. In fact, you can sometimes find a chateau for less than the price of most city apartments. There's over 45,000 chateaux in France, so plenty of choice. But just why are there so many, and why are they within reach for so many buyers? We'll dig into this further after we've looked at our first few properties. Today, we've got a great variety to show you, including these ones here. We have fully move-in ready chateaus. We have sleek, modern apartments located within historic chateaus, and a few that could do with some TLC for those up for a challenge. So if you've ever imagined owning a slice of noble heritage, this might just be your moment. Where else would we start but with this absolute gem tucked away in the sunny south of France? Welcome to Montlaur in Aude, a peaceful village with serious charm. This 5-bedroom home is part of a larger historic castle, and yes, it even comes with its very own turret. For just 149,000 euros, you're getting a slice of French history that's full of character and in excellent condition. The property also offers 2 bathrooms and around 280 square meters of land, giving you plenty of space to relax, garden, or entertain. But the real showstopper, it's surrounded by rolling vineyards, giving you those golden hour views dreams are made of. Whether you're looking for a holiday escape, a holiday home to let, or a full-time move, this place ticks all the boxes. And we're only just getting warmed up. Before we reveal our most affordable option, I want to share this incredible property. If you're after the full works, then this one's an absolute steal at just 290,000 euros. We're in the heart of beautiful Normandy, a dream location for those who regularly travel to and from the UK, whether it's for weekend escapes, extended holidays, or even a full-time move. This gorgeous property is in immaculate condition and comes fully loaded. 6 generously sized bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a substantial 1,700 square meters of land. You'll also find a lovely swimming pool for those long summer afternoons, plus a beautifully converted outbuilding currently used as a games room and guest house, ideal for visiting family or even as a holiday let. The current owners have clearly poured a lot of love and care into maintaining this place, and it really shows in every detail. Now, let's be honest, how much would something like this cost if it were in your local area? Thought so. Normandy wins this round. If you enjoyed our first 2 properties, we're only getting started, and yes, the best are yet to come. Before we reveal our next property, make sure to hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with affordable properties around the world. Now, then, our cheapest entry today at just 72,000 euros. Yes, really, that's all it takes to get your foot in the door of a French chateau. If you've been dreaming of the chateau lifestyle but not the upkeep of a massive estate, this 2-bedroom apartment could be perfect. It's in immaculate condition and gives you all the charm without the chaos. Now, there is a service charge, around 1,500 euros per quarter, but don't let that scare you off. That covers heating, electricity, water, maintenance of the stunning grounds, and access to shared amenities. So you get the fairy tale setting, no major responsibilities, and all the comforts baked in. Honestly, at this price, it's one of the cheapest and easiest ways to live the French chateau dream. We have 5 more properties to share with you today, but before we do, why are there so many chateaux in France, and why are they so affordable? It all goes back to France's history. For centuries, nobles and aristocrats built these grand estates as symbols of power and wealth. But over time, especially after the French Revolution and 2 world wars, many families couldn't afford to keep them. The result, thousands of chateaux scattered across the country, many sitting empty or in need of restoration. Today, they are most common in regions like the Loire Valley, Dordogne, and Nouvelle-Aquitaine, areas known for their peaceful landscapes, charming villages, and rich history. And yes, many are still surprisingly inexpensive, especially if you're open to doing a bit of work. Just look at how many are available on this popular listing site. If we filter to maximum 500,000 euros, you can see that 38 properties are still available, and many of them are in great condition. For many, it's not just about the building, it's about the dream. Living in history, creating a unique home, or turning a forgotten gem into something extraordinary. If that romantic, chivalry-filled life is calling your name, then why not go all in with an actual castle located in Giat, a peaceful commune in the stunning Auvergne region. This historic beauty is on the market for just 269,000 euros. That's right, a real deal castle, complete with 8 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and over 3,000 square meters of land. The listing photos suggest it's in pretty decent shape, though let's be real. With a property of this size and age, you'll probably want to set aside a budget for some renovation work. But come on, a castle for under 300 grand. Now, if you're on the hunt for a serious renovation project with huge potential, then this 9-bedroom chateau in Pamiers, down in sunny southern France, is well worth a closer look. Listed at 320,000 euros, it's a lot of property for the price. While it's officially marked as a renovation, a quick glance through the photos shows that it's actually in fairly decent condition, certainly not a total rebuild. That said, with over 400 square meters of living space and a land plot of more than 1 hectare, it's definitely a project that will require time, energy, and a good dose of vision. If you've been dreaming of creating something truly grand, this could be the one. If you're enjoying this video and want earlier access to all our videos, be sure to join our membership option at just £1 per month. If skiing is your thing, then this one is definitely for you. This incredible 8-bedroom castle, priced at just 326,000 euros, is packed with charm, potential, and serious mountain magic. It's located close to the Giat ski resort in southern France, making it a perfect base for winter adventures or a future holiday rental with year-round appeal. The castle itself is a striking sight, complete with beautiful architectural towers and sweeping views of the surrounding mountains. Set on a generous plot of over 3,300 square meters, there's plenty of space to bring your vision to life. Now, it's definitely a project. This one's for the more ambitious renovator, but the bones are there, and the setting is nothing short of spectacular. If you've ever dreamed of owning your own snowy fairy tale escape in the French mountains, this might just be your chance. Just 2 more properties for today's video, and trust me, they're worth the wait. Okay, so this one's definitely on the pricier side compared to what we usually feature on this channel, but hear me out. In the stunning village of Najac, right in the heart of the Midi-Pyrenees, you're getting not 1, but 2 properties for just 370,000 euros. That's right, 2. One is fully livable, in great condition, and ready to enjoy straight away. The second, a dream renovation project with full planning permission already granted. Perfect if you love a side project you can tackle at your own pace. The main house includes 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and even its own swimming pool, ideal for soaking up those sunny southern French days. And with approximately 2.3 hectares of land, there's space to breathe, grow, and really make this place your own. A rare opportunity with loads of potential. Our final and most expensive property is this beautifully presented 3-bedroom luxury ground floor apartment in the stunning Rhône-Alpes region. On the market for 329,000 euros, it offers the perfect blend of old world charm and modern comfort, with classic chateau style exteriors and a sleek contemporary interior. It's part of an elegant condominium and comes with access to a communal swimming pool, perfect for summer days. As with most apartments of this kind, there will be service charges to cover upkeep and shared amenities, though the exact amount isn't listed yet. Still, luxury like this, very hard to beat. So, which property speaks to you? Be sure to tell us in the comments.